tricky part of the transfer test is the punctuation section. So this is where we're looking for punctuation mistakes or punctuation that could be missing. So the types of punctuation that we're going to be looking out for are full stops, commas, apostrophes, exclamation marks, question marks, speech marks, and I think that's them all. I always forget. And also capital letters. So it's all punctuation and capital letters. So they could be missing or they could be in the wrong place. That's what we're going to be on the lookout for today. For punctuation, we're just going to go through each sentence one at a time and make sure all the punctuation and the capital letters are correct. So we'll check at the beginning, we'll have our capital letter for pancakes. So pancakes are a delicious, fluffy treat. So that comma is correct because we're separating two adjectives. That you can eat any time of the day. So we can see we've got a question mark here, but we're not being asked a question. So that is our mistake. It should be a full stop. So we've got our capital, which we need because it's the start of a new sentence. You can have them for breakfast, comma, lunch, or dinner, full stop. So those pieces of punctuation are correct. Then we've got our capital T. The recipe is easy to follow. We need to go down and check. Start of a new sentence, which means we need a full stop here. So our capital for all you need is eggs, comma, flour, milk, butter, and a pinch of salt. And our capital S is correct. Then here we'll see that our sentence is continuing on down here, so we don't need anything here. But have you spotted it? We are missing a comma between flour and milk. So we don't need a capital here because we're continuing on from the last sentence. So for your pancakes are chocolate, comma, strawberries, comma, ice cream, or some sugar, and need anything here because we're continuing on down here. So this one, the punctuation looks good, so you would mark N on your answer sheet. There are no punctuation mistakes. So and lemon, so we don't need a capital for lemon, remember, because it's continuation of the sentence. Then we have our full stop, capital Y for the beginning of our sentence. You can also add bacon, comma, eggs, and maple syrup for a delicious breakfast. We're missing a full stop here.